how to make money if you are 16 years old or under the age of 18. If you are thinking this or you have searched this, then you have landed on the right video. I'm not going to discuss tons and tons of random ideas here on how you can make money. I'm going to discuss one single idea that I think really works. I'm not only discuss it, but I'm going to give you all the details that you need so you can go off and do it. Like exact step-by-steps, tips and tricks, everything you need for this one idea. Now, before getting into that one idea, please don't forget to hit like, smash, click that like button. It does wonders for the YouTube algorithm. It gets lots of views, and let's run a little challenge. Let's see if we can get to 422 likes in the first day. I don't know why, very random, but let's just move on and let's get on with the video. We are going to be talking about Fiverr. Now, if you don't know what Fiverr is a platform where you can offer services and jobs, and they're called gigs, and these can be anything from holding up a sign to doing a voiceover to video editing to creating a t-shirt design. Literally anything you can think of, you can post on Fiverr as a job. And the reason it's called Fiverr is because these jobs used to cost $5, but it has since changed and you can charge a lot more than $5, but they have kept their name, which is interesting. I don't know why, but it's a good name. That's probably why they kept it. But anyway, that is what Fiverr is. So how can you utilize Fiverr and make good money? What kind of jobs should you post on Fiverr? Are you looking for shortcuts and tricks and just hacks on how to make quick money on Fiverr? Because in that case, you have come to the wrong place. I don't believe in those. I don't believe in get rich quick schemes. I don't believe in these shortcuts to making lots of money. And if you're looking for shortcuts, you've got to change your mentality, because they do not exist no matter what YouTube, internet, affiliate marketing, Amazon guru says about, oh, this app made me £10,000 in one day. It does not exist. You can't do it. Making money is a difficult thing. It's easier now than it used to be, back in the day, but it's not easy. And it takes a lot of work, takes a lot of dedication. So don't try and find shortcuts to this. Just do it how you should be doing it, and hopefully you'll start seeing some success. So don't expect to post a job on Fiverr and get sales the next day, because your account will be very new, very fresh. You won't have any reviews. You won't really have much of a presence on Fiverr. So it's understandable that it can take a bit of time for you to actually start getting some sales. And I actually did a really cool interview with my brother Josh, who had a lot of success on Fiverr, and he built up quite quickly actually. And he talks about different things you can do to increase reviews, to get more sales, to increase customer satisfaction, all these different things that helped him with his Fiverr journey. And the video will be up there, but watch it after this video. It's a really cool interview, and he just talks all about how to succeed on Fiverr, which is quite cool. And if you're wondering, if you're thinking, you don't have any skills, you can't write, you can't cut backgrounds out, you can't talk, you don't speak any other language, you can't do anything, well, we're going to go through the Fiverr website, and you're going to see the vast amount of gigs you can actually offer. And you'll see that no matter what you think you can't do, we will find something that you can do. Okay, so right out the bat, we've got logo design. And this you can literally do on Placeit. If we go to Placeit, right, I'm just going to quickly show you this just because it's amazing, right? But you've got logo design here. You've got any of these, design things, mock-up creation, book design, album cover design, illustration. A lot of these design-related gigs you could literally do in Placeit, right? You've got logos here. You can create someone's logo in Placeit, and then you can sell it on Fiverr. You've got mock-ups. You can create a book mock-up right here. Here we go, books. You can sell them on Fiverr. I know Placeit isn't free. It's something like $10 a month or something. There's $12. There's a discount in the description. But besides that, that it would take you you'd have to sell 2 gigs to pay for this, and you would sell probably a lot more gigs doing such popular ones. One thing I used to do when I was younger was create YouTube intros for people on Fiverr, and this was so piss easy because what I would do is I'd watch a YouTube video, a tutorial on how to use specific intro on Adobe After Effects, right? So I would download the template, and all I would have to do is update the business name, click render, and it would make the intro for me. So on Fiverr, I made the gig that I can make this fiery thing, and I'm going to try and find it. And if I found it, it will be, it will be showing up here, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to find it. But I'm going to try and find it. And it was this easy. All people had to do was they bought the gig from me and they sent me their business logo or their business name. I put it into After Effects. I clicked render because it was a template. And then I sent it to them. It took me about 5 minutes each gig. So if you can find jobs like that, then that is obviously brilliant. And it was a super popular job. But that isn't always available to everyone. But my point is here, right, and the reason behind that story was, even if you feel like you can't do a specific job, just watch a YouTube tutorial. It's so easy. Find out how easy it is to like cut out a background on Photoshop or whatever it is, or just cut out a background on a free website like GIMP or something, and then you can just start setting that gig. Really easy like that, right? Now, I know I've said easy quite a lot, but let me just tell you, finding those gigs that made a lot of money for me, that wasn't easy. That was a long journey, and it took a while before I found those few gigs that actually started paying off. So you could say the journey was quite difficult, but once I got there and I found the ones that were successful and that were getting sales, that process from then on was quite straightforward. So let's just quickly have a look at all the different categories. And then, by the way, at the end, I'm going to tell you the favorite categories that I have. And as well as that, I'm going to go through and create an account and show you the steps to do that if you don't know how to do that. So you've got graphic and design. This is a very popular one. You've got logo design, you've got book design, illustration, cartoons, comics. You've got so many different things here. Now, if you feel like you can't do this, I'm sure you'll be fine. I mean, look, flyer design. You can literally go to Canva and use their templates and just edit it and make it unique to your Fiverr job. Super easy. You've got digital marketing, social media marketing. Everyone can do social media marketing at this point. Social media advertising is a bit more complicated. Surveys, super easy. Podcast marketing. A great one that you could do is you could just do voiceovers, right? If you speak another language, you could do translation. The ideas are endless, okay? Absolutely endless. Writing and translation. Okay, so we just said translation, proofreading. Anyone can do proofreading, okay? You just got to be able to speak English and try and be pretty good at English. You don't want to be a bad proofreader, but you got book editing, white paper, podcast writing. There's so many different things. Okay, video and animation. You got video editing. Okay, a lot of people can do video editing. Visual effects, a bit more difficult. Spokesperson videos. So anyone can do. A spokesperson video is just basically talking to the camera, right? You can do review videos, product photography, real estate promos, game trailers, book trailers. Okay, you've got music and audio, voiceovers. Bam, that is a super popular one. Podcast editing, really good one as well. You just need, GarageBand for that. Programming and tech. This is quite a difficult one. You've got to obviously have the knowledge here, but this is a very popular one. So if you can do programming or tech, then this is a very, very good one to be in. Business is an interesting one because, anyone can be a virtual assistant, but stuff like business plans, lead generation, that's going to be quite tough. Lifestyle, you've got gaming, online tutoring. Online tutoring, brilliant. Whatever you're good at, just teach it. Traveling, collectibles, so many industries. Okay, and then you've got, obviously, all of this. So basically, you have a whole horde of things that you could potentially go into, and just post as many Fiverr gigs as you possibly can, as you're allowed, and see which ones stick. And if some stick, then you just focus on those and pause the other ones or whatever it is. There's just so many different things you can offer. So I don't really believe anyone when they say there is absolutely nothing I can do. Like nothing. I feel like everyone can do at least something. And if they can't do anything, then they can just learn how to do a specific thing. I feel like everyone can do that. So let's walk through how to actually set up an account. And then as soon as we do that, I'm going to tell you a few tips to get those first sales and to actually kickstart your Fiverr empire, let's call it. So you want to go over to, I've already got a buying account because I buy a lot on Fiverr, and for some reason I cannot find my previous selling account, but I've got become a seller. I had to make a new account. Whenever I logged in, it somehow logged into my brother's, which is very annoying. I don't understand. But anyways, so you just click become a seller, okay? Very simple. Learn what makes blah, 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 publish your gig. So this is what it is basically. Continue, full name.
You want to have a, let's click continue. Right, your occupation, digital marketing, and you can add so many different, okay, so from, let's say 2015 to now, but content marketing, email marketing, marketing strategy, web traffic, anything that you do, okay, you can keep adding new ones, okay. Personal website, you could put your website in there if you wanted to. You can then link certain accounts if you wanted to. Just click continue and then continue and create your first gig. It's that easy, right? You can edit your profile, whatever you need to do, but it's that simple, okay? It's really that simple. So go and create your Fiverr account and start making gigs.
Let's go over some tips to help you get your first sales and help you get started on Fiverr. Tip number 1 is asking some friends to buy your gig or service just at the beginning, to get some reviews going, to get your sales up, to show Fiverr that you can deliver a gig on time and that you can get good reviews back and everyone can be happy. So just do that a couple of times, maybe 4 or 5 times, nothing crazy, and this will really, really help kickstart your account. Tip number 2 is charge very, very little. And I mean very little. And if you're thinking, well, you didn't want to do this for very little, you want to make money here. Well, let me tell you, Fiverr at the beginning is not about making money. It's about creating a presence, getting reviews, building up your reputation to actually get a lot more money down the line. So don't overcharge at the beginning. Try and undercut everyone. And I know this is not the nicest thing to say, but undercut everyone. Try and get those sales and work your ass off at the beginning, and over time you can up your price and you can start charging more and more and more. And I remember Josh, my brother, who I just spoke about, he originally started charging a tiny amount on Fiverr for huge jobs, and now that he's properly established himself, or he stopped doing Fiverr now, but after he had properly established himself in the marketplace, he was able to charge hundreds and hundreds of dollars for gigs that he previously charged $20 for. So it's all about just establishing yourself and building up the reviews before you can start charging more money. Tip number 3 is start with some popular gigs, just to kickstart it, get yourself started. If you feel like you don't know how to do the popular gigs, simply just go over to YouTube, watch a tutorial, learn how to do it, and then implement it into a Fiverr gig. And those popular gigs, cutting out images of backgrounds, writing gigs, voiceover gigs, t-shirt creation gigs, those kind of gigs are really, really popular. Video editing gigs, these kind of gigs are really popular, especially nowadays, 2020, 2021. So you can always start with those. And tip number 4 is kind of the opposite. It's the last tip, and that is, as soon as you start having a few reviews, as soon as you started to get a few reviews, as soon as you started to establish yourself in some form or some way, then try and find the less popular gigs that you can just totally dominate. So you want to find gigs that are still popular but have very few sellers in them, and that way you can offer those gigs, you can undercut, and then you can slowly increase your prices, and you can absolutely dominate those areas of Fiverr. I really hope this video helped. To be honest, it's taking me a long time to shoot this because every single time my camera kept screwing up, my memory cards kept disconnecting, my screen stopped recording, and that's why you'll see the audio is a bit off, and it might not be as fluid as it should be, just because it was an absolute headache, mostly because of the rubbish memory card that I have in here. But besides that, I was thinking of doing a cool Fiverr journey video where I joined Fiverr for a month and I just upload gigs, try and do them, see how it works. It'll take a lot of time, but what do you think about that? Just to give you a real life journey of what it could be like selling on Fiverr. Let me know in the comments down below, and I don't know what you're waiting for. Go and get yourself a Fiverr account, get started, because if you start now, hopefully in a couple months time, you'll be able to actually be making money from it. And finally, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video, and I shall hopefully see you in the next one.